That is the sound of love. I just got up, so I need to go. Actually, I got up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I finished an album, and I was midway through another album, post-producing another album before I got too exhausted, so I passed out. And it is just after 1 p.m. and I need to pack up everything and head to the studio to set up the studio for mini sessions, which we're starting tomorrow. Okay, the baby's crying, so I need to sort that out. Okay, so packed the little car with all the props in gear, and gonna head out now. Jaden's crying, so we're trying to get that sorted before we move out. But as soon as he's in the car, he's gonna stop crying, as they usually do.
Relax, we're going. We're going. Green. Green. You're good, we're going. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Alright, so we're here and we're going to set up. Well, Emmy's job is just to look after Jaden so he doesn't make any noise. And I'm thinking of putting something there, or something there, but I may not have enough backdrop stands. I'm going to use 2 backdrops, 2 setups, and see how it goes. I'll probably have one big ass strobe for one backdrop to do a sort of like a very dramatic scene, and the other side will just have constant lighting, just solid constant lighting for just like a dreamy simple setup, and the other one's going to be a bit more dramatic, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're getting somewhere with this thing, and we've got one backdrop done. The other backdrop was a cluster of a cluster because I don't have the second crossbar for it. I don't know where it went. So we're gonna try and do some makeshift supports for it, and hopefully it works. Alright, what is up? I am back again, and we've managed to fix the problem with the backdrop because I have one set of stands for the backdrop. I was going to do back to back, but I couldn't do back to back, so one of them was without the stand, so we just used scotch to stick it to the wall. So that's the second one. The second setup is sort of a forest, so there's snow with the sled. And we have the fake snow, 2 bags of fake snow. So 2 bags of fake snow here. This one is doing all right. Presents, everything with those. I like this potato sacks. We're going to use a gridded 60 by 90. Basically, what I want with this one is just 2 direct light down here, so I can dim out the back, and then do some funky stuff with it. That one I'm going to use, this one will be the strobe, a very simple setup. This one I'm just going to use 2 speed lights. That 60 by 60 is for the key, and I'm going to put another, I'll put one of these with the speed light and the gel. I'm going to use the gel on this, and this will probably go this way. I'll probably shut down some blue light So the blue light goes there and probably hit in the back of them to get that blue. And here are my beautiful helpers, Emily and Jaden. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, Jaden scratched his eye. It's got a red spot there. So yeah, this is where we're at now, and it is. So it's 7:30. We've been here since 3 o'clock. Yeah, and we have 13 shoots this weekend here. So this setup is gonna run for 2 days, tomorrow and Sunday, and if it goes well, then we'll push it off to next week again. But yeah, we're doing the initial setup, and it's a bit last minute because I've been really stressed out with work, stretched with work. We are done. We're done for the night. I got my little fake snow going on here. And this is backdrop number 1, scene number 2. A small, I explained this earlier, I'm not going to explain it again. Marked my positions on the ground. So the reason why I'm going to use a tripod for this one is because we're going to be dealing with kids, and kids are going to be moving around. So I'm going to bracket shots, and if I need to, I have extra shots where I can sort of make a composite image and just layer and use a mask and brush in areas that I want to or don't want to. So that is the plan, people. I'll try to do some BTS footage during the shoots from tomorrow and Sunday. Hopefully I can do it. If I can't do a BTS and if it's too full on, I'll probably just have the GoPro running a time lapse so you can just see a time lapse of the entire day. Because believe it or not, we have 13 shoots. 13 shoots. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.